today is polynomials division. How to find out the polynomials division? A polynomial is divided by another polynomial. So here already we know that here it is the divisor, dividend, coefficient and remainder. Divisor, dividend, coefficient and remainder. What is that? Dividend is equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. So for one example, 37 by 7. 37 by 7, 7, 37. How many times in 37? 7. 7 5 35. 7 5 35. Then what is the remainder value? 2. So dividend equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. What is the divisor? 7 is the divisor. Coefficient is 5. So 7 into 5 plus remainder value, what is that? 2. So 7 5 35 plus 2 is equal to 37. So 37 is the dividend. So dividend equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. Here it is the third chapter, fourth exercise. Divide the polynomial P of x. Divide the polynomial P of x by the polynomial G of x. So P of x equal to value x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. It is the standard form. That means standard form means cube term, square term, one first degree and constant. That is standard form. G of x equal to value x square minus 2. It is also given standard form. So x square minus 2 into this value. Divided this value. So here x cube. Here x square. X square, which number is multiplied by x square is equal to x cube. Which number is multiplied by x square is equal to value x cube. So x is multiplied by x square is equal to x cube. So another one also is x cube by x square is equal to value. What is that result? X. So here x. So these x with multiplied by, this x is multiplied by, total is divisor. So x square minus 2 into x. So x into x square x cube minus x into 2x 2x. So x into x square x cube, here x cube term down here, right here. X into minus 2x, here plus 2 x term is here. So minus 2x. Then subtraction. Subtraction means the second polynomial symbols are changed. Positive value here, that is negative. Plus x cube means change to minus x cube. Minus 2x is changed to plus 2x. So my plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Here remaining value what is that? Minus 3x square. Write that down. Plus 5x plus 2x. Plus 5x plus 2x value what is that? 7x. And minus 3 is also write down. Here it is negative symbol. So negative x square here. Which number is multiplied by x square is equal to minus 3x square. So minus 3. If you have any doubt, check once. Minus 3x square by x square. X square cancel out equal to minus 3. So here minus 3. Minus 3 with multiplied by total is value. Minus 3 with multiplied by total is value. Minus into plus minus. 3 into x square, 3x square. Minus into minus plus 3 to 6. It is a constant. So plus 6. Here subtraction. Subtraction means second polynomial symbols are changed. Negative value is changed to plus value changed to minus. So minus 3x square plus 3x square. Minus 3x square plus 3x square cancel. Remaining value what is that? 7x. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. This is a reminder. What is that coefficient value? X minus 3. Coefficient is equal to value x minus 3. Remainder is 7x minus 9. Then apply these value. Dividend is equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. So simplify it. What is the divisor? X square minus 2 into, what is the coefficient? X minus 3 plus remainder. Remainder value what is that? 7x minus 9. Then simplify it, that is equal to value dividend. Second question. P of x equal to value x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Write in standard form. Here there is no x cubed term. So P of x is equal to x to the power 4 plus x cube term is not there. So 0x cube. 0x cube means value 0. Minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. And g of x is also given. G of x is equal to value, what is that? G of x value? G of x value x square plus 1 minus x. It is not a standard form. Write in standard form x square. Next to minus x plus 1. Square term, first degree, second degree, first degree and constant. Right? That is the standard form. That is the g of x. Where is it? P of x is divided by g of x. It is the P of x, it is the g of x. P of x is divided by g of x. X to the power 4 here. Here x square. Which number is multiplied by x square is equal to x to the power 4? Which number is multiplied by x square? X square into x square equal to value x to the power 4. Or check once. X to the power 4 by x square is equal to value x square. So x square. This x square into total this value. X square into x square x to the power 4. X square into minus x. Minus into plus minus. X into x square x cube. Minus x cube. Here x cube term. So write the down of x cube term. 1 into x square. Plus into plus plus 1x square. 1x square means value x square. So here subtraction. Subtraction means second polynomial symbols are changed. Here plus x to the power 4, that is a negative. Minus x cube means minus means positive. Plus means negative. Subtraction means symbols are changed of the second polynomial. Plus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 cancel. 0x cube means 0. 0 plus x cube means value x cube. Minus 3x square minus x square. What is that? Minus 4x. Next write down the 4x plus 4x. Plus 4x. Next value. Here x cube is here. X cube. Which number is multiplied by x square is equal to x cube? X square into x is equal to value x cube. Or check once. Here x cube divided by x square. X cube by x square. So that the result equal to value x. What is the symbol? Plus x. So write the plus x. So here plus x with multiplied by total this value. Plus x with multiplied by total this value. X into x square x cube. Here plus into minus. Minus. Plus into minus minus. X into x square. So minus x square. Plus in here plus symbol. Plus into plus. Here plus. Plus into plus plus. X into 1. X 1x. Then subtraction. Subtraction means second polynomial symbols are changed. Plus x cube means value minus x cube. Minus change to plus. Plus we change to minus. So plus x cube minus x cube. Plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Minus 4x square plus x square means value minus 3x square. Plus 4x minus 1x. Plus 4x minus 1x means value plus 3x. 5 is down here. Here plus 5. So here minus 3x square. Which number is multiplied by x square is equal to minus 3x square? So here already x square, quotient value minus 3. So minus 3 with multiplied with this value. Or check once. Minus 3x square by minus 3x square by x square. X square. X square cancel equal value minus 3. So here minus 3. Minus 3 with multiplied by total this value. Minus 3 with multiplied by total this divisor. Minus 3 into x square. Minus 3x square. Minus into minus plus. 3 into x. 3x. Minus into here minus. Here plus. Minus into plus. Minus. 3 ones 3. So subtraction means second polynomial symbols are changed here. Negative means positive. Positive value negative value positive. So minus 3x square plus 3x square cancel. Plus 3x minus 3x cancel. 5 plus 3 here plus symbol. 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8. It is a remainder. It is a remainder. So it is a dividend. It is divisor. It is a coefficient. Coefficient value what is that? X square plus x minus 3. Remainder value 8. Third question. P of x equal to value x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6. Here there is no x cube term, there is no x square term. Write in standard form, no problem. Here P of x is equal to x to the power 4. There is no x cube term. There is no x cube term means 0 x cube. There is no x square term. 0 x square minus 5x plus 6. That is write the standard form. And here also g of x equal to 2 minus x square. So write in standard form g of x equal to value. First write the x square term minus x square. Next here plus 2. Dividend write all the terms in order. Divisor is not necessary. So divided by g of x. P of x is divided by g of x. So it is a p of x, it is a g of x. Here x to the power 4. Here it is a x to the power 4. Here minus x square. Which number is multiplied by minus x square is equal to x to the power 4? That is the value. Check once. X to the power 4 by minus x square. So x square terms here negative also there. Minus x square. So what is that? Minus x square. Minus x square into minus x square. Minus into minus plus x to the power 4. Minus into plus minus x square into 2x square. 2x square. Where is this here x square value? Plus here what is that? Minus 2x square. Here write this. And subtraction that symbols. Subtraction means symbols are changed. Positive value negative value positive. Plus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 cancel. Here 0x square is the value 0x square. 0x square means value 0. Plus 2x square means value what is that? 2x square. Next down the remaining terms. Minus 5x plus 6. Here 2x square is here. Here minus x square. Which number is multiplied by minus x square is equal to 2x square? So check once. 2x square by minus x square. X square cancel. Here symbol is also 2 and the value minus 2. So minus 2. So that minus 2 with multiplied by total this value. Minus 2 with multiplied by total this value. Minus into plus, minus into minus, plus 2 into x square, 2x square, plus 2x square. Minus into plus, minus into plus, minus. 2 toes 4. Here constant is here. What is that? Minus 4. Minus 4. Then subtraction that second polynomial from the first. Subtraction means second polynomial symbols are changed here. Positive value negative value positive. Plus 2x square minus 2x square cancel. Next remaining value 5x minus 5x 6 plus 4 plus 4. 6 plus 4 equal to value 10. It is the remainder. It is a remainder. So, it is a remainder, it is a what is that coefficient, and it is a dividend, it is a divisor. Dividend is equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. And apply that and substitute and find out that value. What is the factor? 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means 2. How many times in 10? 5 times. Remainder is 0. Remainder 0 means 2 is a factor of 10. 2 is a factor of 10. Remainder 0 means which number is divided that, then that remainder is 0. So that number is a factor of that value. So 2 is a factor of 10. Here 10 by 4. 10 by 4 means 4 how many times in 10? 2 times. 4 2 is 8. Remainder is 2. So remainder value is not equal to 0. So 4 is not a factor of 10. 4 is not factor of 10. And these two are also same. 18 by 3. 3 6 18. Remainder is 0. Remainder 0 means 3 is a factor of 18. Here 18 by 7, 7 2 is 14, remainder is 4, so 7 is not factor of 18. Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Check which case the first polynomial is factor of the second polynomial. And second polynomial is divided by the first polynomial. Second polynomial is divided by the first polynomial. Here is the second polynomial. Polynomial is value t square minus 3. Second polynomial 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t plus 12. Second polynomial is divided by the first polynomial. Divided by the first polynomial. So, second polynomial is a dividend. First polynomial is a divisor. Here 2t to the power 4. T square, which number is multiplied by t square is equal to 2t to the power of 4. Check once. 2t to the power of 4 by t square. So, t square, t to the power of 4, how many times? 2 square times, and 2t square. So, how many times? 2t square. 2t square into this value. 2t square into t square. 2t to the power of 4. Plus into minus. 3 into 2, 3 to 6 t square, 6 t square term is here down, that t square term value, what is that? Minus 6 t square. Then subtraction means symbols are changed of the second polynomial. Positive value negative, negative value positive. Plus 2t to the power of 4 minus 2t to the power of 4 cancel. Remaining value 3t cube. Minus 2t square plus 6t square, that means 4t square, and remaining value down there, and 9 plus minus 9t plus 12. Here t square, it is a t cube, which number is multiplied by t square is equal to 3t cube. So 3t cube by t square, that is equal to value 3t plus 3t, symbol also very important, plus 3t. 3t into this value, 3t into t square, 3t cube, plus into minus 3t into 3, 90. What is that? Minus 90. So t term is here, down the t term. Here value. Symbol, subtraction means symbols are changed. Positive value negative, negative value positive. Plus 3t cube minus 3t cube cancel. Remaining value 4t square minus 90 plus 90 cancel plus 12. Plus 12. Next value here 4t square. This is value t square. So what is that rule? Which number is multiplied by t square is equal to 4t square? 4. Or check once. So 4t square by t square is equal to value 4. Which 4? Plus 4. 4 with multiplied by total this value. 4 into t square. 4t square plus into minus 4 into 3. 4 3 is 12. So here Subtraction means second polynomial symbols are changed. Positive value negative, negative value positive. Plus 4t square minus 4t square cancel. Plus 12 minus 12 cancel. Minus 12 plus 12 cancel. So remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So remainder 0 means t square minus 3 is the factor of this value. So t square minus 3 is factor of 2t to the power of 4 minus 3 cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Polynomial is divided by the first polynomial. It is the first polynomial, it is the second polynomial. Second polynomial is divided by the first polynomial. Is it a factor of that? So here dividend it is a divisor. Here x to the power of 5 is there. X to the power of 5. X cube, which number is multiplied by x cube is equal to x to the power of 5. That means x to the power of 5 by x cube is equal to x square. So x square. X square is multiplied by total this value. X square into x square. X square into x cube, x to the power of 5. Plus into minus, minus. 3x into x square, 3x cube. Minus 3x cube. 1 into x square. 1x square means value x square. Here subtraction means symbols are changed. Positive value negative, negative value positive, positive value negative. Plus x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 5 cancel. Remaining value minus 4x cube plus 3x cube means value minus x cube. Plus x square minus x square cancel. And remaining two values are down right there. 3x plus 1. Here x cube, it is also x cube. What is it? Which number is multiplied by x cube is equal to value x cube minus x cube. So minus x cube by x cube is equal to value minus 1. So minus 1. Minus 1 into total this value. Minus 1 into plus x cube. The value minus x cube. Minus into minus plus 1 into 3x, 3x. That means plus 3x. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 1, 1. So symbols are changed of the second polynomial. When you subtract that, second polynomial symbols are changed. Negative value positive, positive value negative, negative value positive. So minus x cube plus x cube cancel. Plus 3x minus 3x cancel. 1 plus 1 equal to value 2. Remainder is 2. Remainder 2 means it is not a factor of these. What is this? X cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of what is it? X to the power of 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Here it is the first polynomial, it is the second polynomial. Second polynomial is divided by the first polynomial. Second polynomial is divided by the first polynomial. So second polynomial is dividend, it is the divisor. And check once. Then remainder is 0, it is a factor of this. Remainder is not equal to 0, it is not a factor of dividend. So try it. Find all the zeros. 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Find all the zeros of this polynomial. Find all the zeros of the polynomial. What is the highest degree? 4. How many zeros? 4 zeros are there. If you know that 2 zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. 2 zeros are given. So root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. So find out the remaining 2 zeros. X equal to value root 2 and another x equal to value minus root 2. Change x root 2 value x minus root 2 and x plus root 2. So these are 2 zeros. And x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 value that is equal to value a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. So x square minus root 2 whole square. X square minus 2. So it is a divisor. It is a dividend. So x square minus 2 divided this value. here x square, it is 2x to the power 4, 2x to the power 4 by x square. X square how many times into 2x to the power 4? Value check once. 2x to the power 4 by x square, that is equal to value 2x square. What is the how many times? 2x square. So 2x square into x square, 2x to the power of 4 minus into plus, minus into plus minus 2 into 2x square, 4x square. Here it is a 4x square there. So minus 4x square. Then subtraction means positive value negative, negative value positive of the second polynomial. Minus plus 2x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 4 cancel. Remaining value minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 4x square plus 4x square. Plus is the highest value. So 1x square. 1x square means x square. Next remaining terms down here plus 6x minus 2. Here negative value. X square how many times this value? X square how many times this value? X square how many times this value? So check once. So the minus 3x cube by x square, that means value minus 3x. X square times the x is remaining minus 3. So here on symbol also minus 3x. So minus 3x into total this value. Minus 3x into x square minus 3x cube. Minus into minus plus 2 3 6 6x plus 6x. Okay, here subtraction means second polynomial symbols are changed. Negative value positive, positive value negative. Minus 3x cube plus 3x cube cancel. So remaining x square minus 2. X square, here value plus 6x minus 6x cancel, that is equal to value minus 2. Here x square, here x square is there, here also x square. How many times in x square? Only one time. So check once, x square by x square is equal to value 1. So plus 1, symbol also plus 1. 1 into total this value, 1 into total this value. 1 into x square, minus into plus, minus, here plus, minus into plus, minus, 2 into 1 is 2. So subtraction means second polynomial symbols are changed. Here positive value negative, negative value positive. Plus x square minus x square cancel, minus 2 plus 2 cancel, remainder is 0. So it is a factor, already you know that. And find what is the coefficient? Coefficient, find out the other factors. Value what is that? 2x square minus 3x plus 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 coefficient value. Then find out the factors of coefficient value. 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So 2 into x square coefficient value 2 and constant value is 1. 2 into 1 equal to value 2 1's 2. The product of x square coefficient and constant value. The product of any two numbers is equal to 2, then two numbers is equal to value x coefficient value minus 3. So minus 2 into minus 1 equal to value plus 2, minus 2 minus 1 equal to value minus 3. So minus 3x is expand like this here. So 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. So what is the common? 2x. So x minus 1. Minus 1 is common. These two values x minus 1. So these are two values is there. Here first term it is second term. Two terms have the common factor. Then x minus 1 into remaining value 2x minus 1. So x equal to value 1, x equal to value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 1, next root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of p of x. That means p of x means dividend. All the zeros, obtain all the zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square plus 10x minus 5. Obtain all the zeros of these polynomial. If two zeros of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3, minus root 5 by 3. These are two are zeros of these polynomial. Find the other zeros. Here fourth degree. That means how many zeros of the polynomial? 4. Here 2 is given, find out the other two values. Root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. So x equal value root 5 by 3 and x equal value minus 5 by root 3. This value change this side, x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 are the factors of the given polynomial. Factors of the given polynomial. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. So root x square minus root 5 by 3 whole square is equal value x square. Square root cancel, that is equal value 5 by 3. Then LCM 3x square minus 5 is equal value 0. 3x square minus 5. It is a divisor. It is a dividend. So it is a quotient. Quotient, find out the factors of the quotient. X square plus 2x plus 1. So x square, here factors 1x plus 1x plus 1. So here these two terms, x is common, x plus 1. Here also plus 1 is common, x plus 1. Then x plus 1 into x plus 1. X equal to value minus 1, x equal to value minus 1. What are the factors of these zeros of that? Minus 1 and root 5 by 3, comma, minus root 5 by 3 are the zeros of the, what is it? 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, it is the p of x by the polynomial g of x. It is a divisor, g of x is. The coefficient and remainder, coefficient value x minus 2 and remainder value minus 2x plus 4. Respectively, find g of x. Find g of x. So first ones here, p of x equal to value x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. G of x equal to value, it is the required value. R of x means remainder. What is the remainder? Minus 2x plus 4. Q of x equal to value x minus 2. Already we know that dividend equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. Remainder change this side, then dividend minus remainder by coefficient. So divisor equal to dividend minus remainder by coefficient. Dividend value, what is that? This value x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus, what is the remainder? Minus 2x plus 4 by coefficient value x minus 2. So simplify this. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus into minus plus 2x minus into plus minus 4 by x minus 2. X minus 2 is the divisor, it is the dividend. Then find out this value. So divisor, what is the g of x equal to value x square minus x plus 1.